guys, it's Eric Auto Center. Again, we are going to do parasitic broad test. If a battery drains down the same following day, it has drained down. You park the car for 2 days, battery has drained down. That means there is something wrong somewhere which is draining the battery. So we are going to do parasitic broad test, similar like the video I did last time, but it's a bit different. This is more important for you to know how you can do parasitic broad test to test your battery, whether alternator or if it continues to drain out and you test everything and it's not working, then that means there is a fuse or wire harness is somewhere which is regulating the fault. So I'm going to do a broad test here. Then after, we have to start the engine and on the AC, on the headlight, wipers, hazard and everything. If a voltage drop, then that means there is a problem on the alternator. If it doesn't drop and you take all the fuse one by one and it drop to 12%, then that means that's where the problem stands for. So you need to rectify it and make the battery work again for high voltage charge. So I have to turn on the multimeter to 20 amps, which is here. Then the battery terminal is supposed to remove. Okay, so I'll bridge it like this. Okay. 6.31. Okay, 6. Okay, this is the maximum voltage you're supposed to get for the earth wire. So this is the maximum voltage for the earth wire, 6.39, 6. The minimum is 6.39, 5.39, 4. All are the same. So we are going to do the parasitic broad test inside. Let me see. I will turn it off for the multimeter to not contain a lot of pressure. Okay, so make sure you close all the doors. Don't leave the door light to indicate. So I will turn the AC. I have to turn the hazard, headlight. So this is how it is, and this will give you the correct voltage if the parasitic broad test has some effect with the fuse or the battery. I also have to turn the back vent, which has shown here. So we are going to do the parasitic broad test again. Then we see the voltage that will give us.